definition of love.
Love is being around like-minded relationships. Very important. Remember, what you get in is what you put out. So, being around family and friends that uplift you, encourage you, and believe in your dreams. Very important. Daily focus on being around like-minded individuals. Now, you need to be around somebody that is like you, that wants to grow, that wants to succeed, that wants to be successful, that wants to grow goals and achieve goals and to have anything they want out of life.
You have to have mentors with the love column. You have to have people that are just like you, and you need to have people that are lower than you, that you could be their mentors. And it's good to maybe put like a third, amount of time on each one. Is probably a good balance. It's good to be around family and friends that encourage you, inspire you, and believe in your dreams. It's good to be around your kids. So everybody out there that's not seeing their kids all the time, that is pushing family off and friends off. You know what? Your kids need you. So if they're positive or negative, that doesn't matter. Always be there for your kids. And when it comes to your relationships, remember, if you're having a difficult relationship with anybody, it's your fault, not their fault. A significant other that discourages you at the time, it's okay. Spend less time around that and build that slowly until they have that like-minded relationship. It takes time, it could take years, but remember,
persistence is key, and routine achieves goals.